What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video, man. It is your boy Fatkat, of course, bringing you another one, man. So you guys see the thumbnail, man. You guys see the title, more importantly. I'm gonna try to bring this to you guys, man, but I thought I found this secluded road, but actually there's houses here. All right, I mean the road is pretty secluded, but you guys see there's like houses and all kind of stuff here, man. So you know, I'm not sure how this is going to work out. Hold on one second. Let me pull over, man, because you got a truck that's going by me. So I'm gonna try to do this for you guys, man. Hopefully I could get at least 1 or 2 in. I probably want to get 1 or 2 passes in, man, and that's gonna be it, because I don't want to be out here and then they call the cops and everything else, and then next thing you know, I'm going to jail, man. So I'm gonna get 1 or 2 pulls in for you guys. As this is my first time doing it, man. So you guys, I mean, you guys are gonna be learning with me. Well, I'm gonna be learning while you guys are watching me, pretty much, man. So this is my first time going to be trying to use this launch control. I've never used it before. I've never, you know what I'm saying, in any car, not just this one, but I've never used it at all, period, man. So I'm gonna try to get it in once or twice, and then we go from there, man. At least see what kind of time we could get from just you know, that once or twice doing it. So let me turn back around, man, and then we'll do it real quick, and then that's it, man. Then I'm gonna get out of here. All right, man. So for those of you guys that have done this before, man, please don't get down on me too hard. Like I said, it's my first time doing it, so I don't really know what to expect. I don't know how to do it. So I'm doing it in front of the camera for the first time with you guys, man, or, you know, so you guys can see me, man. But I literally do not know what I'm doing, man. So I'm gonna go down here, I'm gonna hit launch. All right, it says to launch, press brake and quickly apply throttle. Huh. So we'll see. Jesus Christ. Whoa. Oh shit. Okay. Wasn't expecting that. But she took off, man. God. Okay. My bad, y'all. Okay, so that was the launch control. I'm gonna do it one more time on the way back over here. Gosh, she took off. My goodness, I was not expecting that, man. Again, like I said, it's my first time doing it, so I didn't know she was gonna take off like that. It's definitely a lot different than you just, you know, letting go the brake and then stepping on it. It's definitely a lot different, man. Yeah. That's all I'm gonna say about that, man. So let me do a U-turn, and then we'll do it again, man. All right, man. So I'm gonna pull up over here. I'm gonna pass these houses real quick, so I don't want to be all up in the way of the houses. You know, Christine loud as hell, man. So they're definitely gonna hear it. So let me pull up here real quick. See, I got my timer there real quick. Let me see, you guys can see it. I was so excited, man. I didn't even put it was on eco mode, man. It wasn't even on track mode. Damn, and she still took off, man. So let me get here. Let me do launch. Hold on. Let me take it off of launch real quick. Okay, so first I'm gonna do I wonder how I could do that. Huh. No. Okay, so you know what? So this time let's just do, without the launch control, let's just do a 0-60 pull real quick. Woo! Not my best one. Oh man. Oh, spinning all over the place. Man, I gotta get into a better area, man. Let me see if I can find a better road, man, because yeah, this ain't, I'm not too comfortable with this area. People getting upset. Alright, man, so I went around and I really didn't find anything. So I'm just gonna do a couple quick pulls real quick, see what I could get. I know they're not gonna be good or anything like that, but let's just see what it is, man. So you can see my last one, man, I failed miserably. Let's see what this one will give me. Oh, we got houses over here real quick. Let me pass these houses. Alright, man, this is probably the best I'm going to get, man, this road right here. So I am going to try to launch right here real quick. And then I am, oh shit, and then I'm gonna do a launch right here real quick, and then I'm gonna do a like an actual launch control there. So let me see if what I can do here. That was a 5.6, but let me tell you, man. So I can tell you what the problem is. There is no traction at all, man. I can see why they say the 275s just do not do anything for this car. I definitely need 305s or 315s because those 275s do absolutely nothing for this car. When you're launching, absolutely nothing. All I did was slide, man. So, all right, let me turn back around and actually do a launch control one time, see how that goes, and then we'll take it home, man. All right, so we'll try launch real quick. See, launch control says to launch, press brake and apply full throttle. Press brake and quickly apply full throttle. All right, here we go. I don't know if that really helped. That didn't help at all. So, huh. Was that a Ranger? We got a Ranger coming over here. That's that park back there. I don't know, man. It seems to me like it really didn't help at all, the launch control. But I think it's just because I just don't have any traction. So, all right, man. My bad, man. This is a complete fail. Although it was fun, but it was a fail. So what I'm gonna do is, man, I'm actually. I thought that these roads back here would have been like empty and nobody's on them or whatever, but I guess wrong. So I am going to do better scouting and figure out an actual road that's kind of like desolate and there's nobody on there. And then we'll go out there and do some actual pulls, even with the 275s, man. But I already know, man, like these just slip and slide everywhere. I literally got zero traction with it at none. All my car is doing is just this the whole time, man. me, I mean, you know, she's putting down some power, man. And he said, you know, the car, she cannot stay grounded for nothing. So anyway, man, so I'm gonna find a place that literally has no cars, no nothing, or even if we come back to this area, maybe back on like on a Sunday or something like that. But definitely gonna have to find a location. Probably have my son with me so he can get some outside of the car, you know, film and things like that as well, so you guys can see that, man. But anyway, man, so I apologize for failing in this video, man. Complete fail. My bad. And then but like I said, we will do it again for sure. All right, guys, so so I tried it without the camera, right? Because I was actually just coming back on this road here, right? So I was like, you know what, let me just do it one time. I didn't even record it. So look at my last time. Look at my time without it, man. 4.9. Huh. Okay. So I don't know, maybe it's just me trying to worry about the camera or whatever. But anyway, it still slides all over the place. I need to get some gas. And yeah, man, but it is what it is, man. Today's been a fail. My bad. I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm gonna try to find a better location next time and actually get some proper pools in for you guys. I just wanted to come out here today and see if I could do it. I thought the roads out here would be kind of empty, but I guessed wrong. So anyway, so we will, like I said, regroup. We're gonna go find another location, and then it's a charger, regular V6 charger. Anyway, so we will regroup. We will find a better location, man, and then we'll go out there and do it again. All right. So sorry about that. It was fun though. Hope you guys enjoyed me watching me fail. But anyway, other than that, appreciate you guys for watching this video, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. Promise you we're going to get you guys a better pools and everything else, even get some outside footage. But anyway, man, other than that, you know, I'm your boy Fatkat, man. We'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.